Emergency for Clinton, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, until 3:30 a.m. At 2:56 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar a large and destructive tornado. This tornado was located near Newton Grove, or 7 southwest of Clinton, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Clinton, North Carolina. Hazards in a warning include a tornado, impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clinton, Harrells, Garland, Newton Grove, Roseboro, Salemburg, Turkey, Hobden, Spivey's Corner, and Ivanhoe. Take cover now.